Good morning all. So let us look at few more problems on finding the absolute extrema. So you are given the function f of xy equal to x square minus 3y square minus 2x plus 6y. So R is a region which is bounded by the square with vertices 0, 0, 0, 2, 2, 2 and 2, 0. So first let us find in the interior. Okay. So for that find fx. Fx will be 2x minus 2 and fy is minus 6y plus 6. So fx equal to 0 gives x equal to 1 and fy equal to 0 will give y equal to 1. So therefore the critical point is 1, 1, and when you evaluate fxx will be 2, fxy is 0 and fyy is minus 6. So when you find d of d at 1, 1, that will be equal to minus 12 less than 0. So therefore it is a saddle point. Now let us look on the boundary. Okay, so we have the function f of xy equal to x square minus 3y square minus 2x plus 6y, and we have a region which is a square with vertices 0, 0, then you have 2, 0, then 2, 2, and then 0, 2. So let us take it as O, A, B and C. Okay. Now you can see that along OA y is fixed. So y is equal to 0. Along AB x is equal to 2. Along BC you have y equal to 2, and along CO we have x equal to 0. So these values are fixed on this lines. So first let us look along OA. So along OA we have y equal to 0. So the function will reduce to so you will get x square minus 2x. So let me call it as some p of x. Now when you take the function of one variable I, we p dash of x p dash of x will be 2x minus 2. So that implies x is equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is a critical point. We p double dash of x p double dash of x will be equal to 2. So which is greater than 0. Along OA y is 0. So therefore 1, 0 is relative minimum. And when you take along AB, so along AB what happens is x is equal to 2. So f will reduce to 4 minus 3y square minus 4 plus 6y. We will get minus 3y square plus 6y. So let me call it as some q of y. Q dash of y q dash of y will be minus 6y plus 6. So that implies y will be equal to 1. And when you take q double dash of y is minus 6, which is less than 0. So therefore 2, 1 is a relative maximum. And again take along BC. So along BC y will be equal to 2. So we f f in the value x square minus 12 minus 2x plus 12 varum. So that is again x square minus 2x. So call it as some r of x. So when you take r dash of x will be 2x minus 2. So that gives, so r dash of x equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. Again, r double dash of x that will be equal to 2, which is greater than 0. So therefore, we will get 1, 2. 1, 2 is a relative minimum. ഇനി അതുപോലെ along CO എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ along CO you will have x equal to 0. So f will be minus 3y square plus 6y. So call it as some s of y. S dash of y എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ s dash of y will be minus 6y plus 6. So s dash of y equal to, and s double dash of y എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ minus 6 വരും. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ critical point എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് y equal to 1 ആണ്. So therefore 0, 1 is a relative maximum. So these are the critical points you get. Now we have got all the points. Now let us evaluate the function at these points. Now the corner points are, so you have f of 0, 0, f of 2, 0, f of 0, 2 and f of 2, 2. So നമുക്ക് ഈ values എല്ലാം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. Okay, then we need to find, so let us start with the first point. So f of 1, 1, then f of 1, 0, 2, 1, and last, then you have 1, 2 and 0, 1. So we need to find all these values. So our function was, x square minus 3y square minus 2x plus 6y. So f of 0, 0 is 0. F of 2, 0 is, f of 2, 0 എടുക്കുമ്പോഴും 0 വരും. And f of 0, 2. F of 0, 2 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ minus 12 plus 6 into 2, 12 വരും. That is also 0. F of 2, 2. F of 2, 2 എടുക്കുമ്പോഴും you will get 0. So 4 വരും, minus 12, minus 4 plus 12. So that is 0. F of 1, 1 is 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 6. So that will be equal to 2. F of 1, 0 is 1 minus 2. So that will be equal to minus 1. F of 2, 1. F of 2, 1 will be 4 minus 3 minus 4 plus 6. So that will be equal to 3. F of 1, 2 is 1 minus 12 minus 2 plus 12. So that is again minus 1. And f of 0, 1 is minus 3 plus 6. So that will be equal to 3. So the absolute maximum will be, so the maximum of all these values will be equal to 3. So that will be occurring at the points 2, 1 and 0, 1. And absolute minimum is going to be minus 1. So that will be occurring at the point 1, 0 and 1, 2. So that is the absolute maximum and absolute minimum of the given function. Now next we have the function f of xy equal to x square plus 2y square minus x, where R is a disk x square plus y square less than or equal to 4. So let us start with the interior. Fx fx will be 2x minus 1 and fy is 4y. So fx equal to 0 gives x equal to 1 by 2 and fy equal to 0 gives y equal to 0. So 1 by 2, 0 is the critical point. Now when you take fxx will be 2, fxy will be 0 and fyy is 4. So D is going to be 8, which is greater than 0, and fxx is also greater than 0. So 1 by 2, 0 will be a relative minimum. Now let us look on the boundary. So on the boundary we have x square plus y square less than or equal to 4. Okay, on the boundary it will be equal to 4. So that implies, so y square is equal to 4 minus x square. So substituting this in f, you will get x square plus 2, 4 minus x square minus x. So let me call it as some g of x. So g of x will be equal to, so you will get 8 minus x square minus x. Now when you take g dash of x will be minus 2x minus 1. So g dash of x equal to 0 implies, so x will be equal to minus 1 by 2. When x is equal to minus 1 by 2, y will be plus or minus root of 4 minus x square. So that will be plus or minus root of 4 minus 1 by 4 varum. So that will be plus or minus root 15 by 2. So therefore ini nammal g double dash of x edukkumbo g double dash of x will be minus 2, which is less than 0. So these points, x equal to minus 1 by 2 varumbo y coordinate idu rendu aava. Appo idu relative maximum. So the points, so minus 1 by 2 and plus or minus root 15 by 2 are relative. So they will be relative maxima. And so those are our points. So interior gitti, boundary gitti. And now when you take the disk, so these will be your corner points. So the corner points are f of 2 0, f of 0 2, f of 2 2. Okay, sorry, f of minus 2, 0, minus 2 and f of minus 2, 0. So we need to evaluate all these values, and together with that namakku etto adyam kittiya point 1 by 2, 0. So f of 1 by 2, 0, and then f of minus 1 by 2 root 15 by 2, and f of minus 1 by 2 minus root 15 by 2. And our function was x square plus 2y square minus x. So this will be equal to, when x is equal to 2, so let's calculate all these values. So these are the function values we are going to get. So therefore the minimum of all this will be minus 1 by 4. So this will be the absolute minimum. So absolute minimum value is minus 1 by 4, and that occurs at 1 by 2, 0. And this will be the absolute maximum. So absolute maximum value is 33 by 4, and that will occur at these 2 points.